Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new content. Consider supporting our work directly on Patreon to get early access to all new encounters. And as always, enjoy the video. On October 22, 2022, a woman in Katy, Texas called 911 over 30 times in just 1 hour. The woman rambled on about her car battery not working and people touching her inappropriately inside a Walmart before cursing at the dispatchers. Deputies with the Harris County Sheriff's Office were dispatched to check out the situation, and the woman was arrested for false reports.
Hey, Angela.
What do you want?
What's going on?
Nothing. I'm trying to get a battery for my car so I can cut it off. I can't cut the car off.
But the thing is, you've been calling us all morning, though.
Oh, it wasn't me. It's Servo with the phone, and it was witness sitting right there. I've been filling out applications all morning. Taylor, if you lie on me again, I am filing charges.
I ain't lying.
There's been witnesses that sat there and watched me. I waited until it was 8 o'clock, and then I left and went to Walmart. I just left and let them check on me a battery, and they told them not to sell me a battery. I can't cut my car off.
So you was in that BMW?
This is a BMW.
Were you at BMW? Didn't they say it was at BMW dealership?
Yeah, in the back.
They tried to sell me a battery, but they told me that the BMW dealer would have to put it in.
Mm-hmm.
So I went to see if they were open. I don't want to drive around with a battery in my car if BMW can't put it in.
Okay, so you never called us?
No. And I'm tired of Servo lying. She sat there bragging and saying, I'm going to get you arrested. Everybody heard her.
Who said that?
Everybody heard it. Everybody heard it. Everybody heard it. And I'm tired of being lied on. This car has been running since yesterday. I can't keep calling roadside assistance for a jump. I'm trying to get a battery so I won't have to keep getting a jump.
You have your phone? You mind if
They're messing with the phone.
You mind if
the phone is broke.
you mind if I see
The phone is broke. The phone is broke.
who the
She just did this. She just did this, and I'm not gonna play a game. They just put this in the phone. I'm not gonna play a game, and they are going to jail for messing with my phone.
How many? It says emergency. So you didn't call like?
No, I did not, and I'm not gonna play a game. And if she keeps messing with my phone, she's going to jail.
Where's she at? Where's she at?
Ask Walmart. Ask Walmart. I just left Walmart, and they were the ones who were going to sell me a battery, and they said take it to BMW. So I said, let me drive to BMW to see if they can put it in. I don't want to drive around with a battery. That's when she started intervening, talking about employment and saying all this stuff at Walmart to where they said they had to report it.
Okay.
I'm tired of being lied on.
Okay. You have your driver's license? Can I see your driver's license real
I'm
quick?
tired of this. I'm sick of fucking...
Hey, Miss Alderson, can you move to the Nexar parking lot over there?
Next off.
Nexar, so we can get out of the roadway?
She fine?
Miss Alderson, I need you to step out. Or turn it off. Oh, okay, that's fine.
Hey, that one.
We'll have time to bag.
And let me lock it. The door's not shut. They broke it.
Who broke it?
Why am I putting my hands behind my back? I have a right.
Huh?
I have a right to an attorney. Why am I putting my hands behind my back?
Because
What did I do?
you made a, what's it called again?
I did what?
False alarm. False
Public service.
to a public
What's a false alarm to a public service?
You keep calling us.
I am not calling. She tapped into my phone.
Who tapped into your phone?
You know what? She even bragged about it before you turned by the BMW dealer, saying that she deleted all the calls out of the phone.
The BMW dealer?
Yeah. I'm suing the police for lying on me.
It's in your pocket.
I'm suing you for lying on me.
I ain't lying on you. It's all on the computer.
I am suing for being lied on.
I'm going to search.
I am suing you motherfuckers. I mean that shit. I am suing.
Here, I'll take her.
Quit touching me! Don't put your fucking hands on me, bitch! You bet I'm not playing. I am suing. I promise to God I'm fucking suing. And he's going for letting you write me back here. He is going for letting you touch my butt back here and lying. I promise to God I'm filing a lawsuit. I promise to God I'm filing a lawsuit. Where's my phone and all my stuff?
Where is your phone?
You just took it. I need to have a way to be able to get out of here.
I took your keys.
And my phone isn't. I need my stuff out of the car.
Where's your
The phone in the bag. I need it.
The phone and the bag?
Yes.
What's in the bag?
My wallet with all my stuff. My credit cards, all my stuff.
I'll get your phone and your wallet, but I'm not taking anything else that's in the car.
I just need the bag in my wallet and my phone. I'm serious. I am so I'm fucking suing. I am suing you, motherfucker. I promise to God. I can't sue it. I'm suing. I promise to God I'm suing. I promise to God I'm suing. I promise to God, bitch, you are going to jail. I don't care whose sister you put in something. He is going for conspiracy to murder. He is going for conspiracy to murder. I promise to God I'm suing. He is going for conspiracy to murder. He is going for conspiracy to murder. You are going for conspiracy to murder. And they were caught when I got off the plane yesterday. I'm serious, you are going. They got proof that you are going for conspiracy to murder.
Oh, what'd I do?
You are going for conspiracy to murder.
Okay.
I don't give a fuck. I promise to God you're getting the electric chair. He is going for conspiracy to murder. He is going for conspiracy to murder. Make sure you put my sister in it, bitch. He is going for conspiracy to murder. It ain't me that you're not employing. You are going for doing this and lying. And for following me to Oklahoma, and you got caught there too, and he is going.
For me?
Yeah, you are. You are going for conspiracy to murder. Don't touch him, my butt. He is going for rape too. And it is blood and it is forensics evidence that you are touching me. He is going for that too. And you just write to me in the back of here, and he is going for letting you sit back here and do an illegal transport. Bitch, I'm not intimidated by none of you motherfuckers. He is going for doing an illegal transport and letting you touch in the back of my butt and say I put your sister in this.
Show me transport one female.
You better quit touching in my butt.
Beginning mileage 387.
You not talking to me. Look, fuck ass bitch. You don't intimidate me. He is going for murder. Keep sitting here thinking I'm playing. You can't run a goddamn thing for me, and he can't either. You are going for murder, and he is too. And you went on Tinker Air Force Base in the car, and it was reported. He is going. He is going for lying.
I never heard that before. Yeah.
I'm making sure the base pick up charges too.
Alright, I'm just letting you know I got her.
Oh, it ain't me that you got, it was Servo.
That was my sergeant.
Give a fuck. I sat right at the car wash and they told her to quit messing with the phone. Give a fuck if it was your sergeant or not. She's going for conspiracy to murder too. Everybody witnessed him sitting there messing with the phone. Why you lying? You going for illegal transport too. And you are on rape charges. And you just did the same thing in Oklahoma and they reported you. He is going for conspiracy to murder.
I ain't never been to Oklahoma damn my life.
I didn't say you were. They know who. They got him on Tinker Air Force Base. You are on charges for lying and conspiring to commit murder. And lying about employment.
Where he work at?
I plead the fifth. You can play your own game. I am filing a lawsuit.
On me?
Yep.
For what?
Well, fuck who impressed you. Fuck you, bitch. And fuck him, too. I told you after breaking my house and car and steal. And you stole my iPhone. He is going for sitting here lying. You stole 6 damn phones and tapped into all of them. And it's been witnessed. And a computer.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more, head over to our Patreon and become a member for exclusive content. Or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.